We are in Brainerd, Minnesota. Excited to be here working with Northern Pines to get them some new windows. It used to be a church, and we are putting in 25 window units for them with our Renewal Cares project. The old windows, we estimated roughly 100 years old or so, potentially original to the building. Single pane, mostly all painted over. It's going to be a pretty significant upgrade for them in the space they're going to be using. I have some people in my life that I would say lost the battle to mental health. At Northern Pines, that's all they do is take care of people.
We serve the 6 county in central Minnesota. As a community mental health center, we provide services from birth to end of life. We have therapists that specialize all along the lifespan. Our bills are really quite high, and we knew that to be able to afford to put in all these windows, there wasn't one that didn't leak. Being able to have something new like this has just really solidified our commitment to the building as well.
It's about people, it's about taking care of each other.
Our vision is enhancing lives and restoring hope. It's also not lost on me that restore and renewal are 2 very similar words. Restore meaning that the hope was already there and we're restoring that. But renewal is about the future and is truly about renewing a dedication to a place that can help so many people. I feel like Renewal by Andersen has handed back to us our vision in restoring these windows. It truly means so much to me that others would see value in the work that we do. Look at that. Wow. Thank you. Thank you.